Meaning of flow.
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 Flow. A floe is a flat piece of ice floating on a body of water, typically found in regions with cold temperatures such as the Arctic or Antarctic. These flat pieces can range in size from small chunks to large sheets that can be several kilometers in diameter. Floes are important for wildlife and climate, as they help regulate the temperature of the surrounding water and provide a habitat for animals like seals and polar bears. The movement and fluctuations of floes are closely monitored by scientists to better understand the effects of climate change on these regions.